Welcome to this YouTube tutorial on creating captivating Instagram posts using the power of ChatGPT and Canva. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT, a language model, to generate engaging content ideas, and then bring them to life using Canva, a popular graphic design platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Generating content ideas with ChatGPT. Example: make a motivational Instagram post with image for people who struggle to pursue their goals. As you can see, ChatGPT generates the content caption, and also, ChatGPT describes the description of our image that we're going to customize on Canva. So, everything is ready in step 1. Let's proceed. Step 2. Designing the Instagram post in Canva. Choose the Instagram post template from the available options. Then, search template to customize. Then choose Applied Template. And let's start to customize our motivational image based on ChatGPT generated. Step 3. Exporting and publishing the post on Instagram. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the download button in Canva and save the post to your computer or device. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone or PC and log into your account. Select the image you created in Canva from your device's gallery. Copy the catchy caption, include relevant hashtags, and tag relevant accounts if applicable from ChatGPT. Preview your post, make any final adjustments, and click Share to publish your masterpiece. Congratulations! You've successfully created an eye-catching Instagram post using the collaborative powers of ChatGPT and Canva. By leveraging the content generation capabilities of ChatGPT and the design prowess of Canva, you've crafted an engaging visual that is ready to captivate your Instagram audience. Feel free to explore further and experiment with different content ideas and design variations to unleash your creativity. Happy content creation! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.